Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will introduce WISELAZER S20 projector TV. Let's go ahead and look at it. There is HDMI, USB, mobile, mirror. It's like 1080p native. Let's go ahead and look at what's inside the box. As you see, nice bag. There's the manual. It shows how to use. Let me go ahead and look at this. USB, HDMI, and you can use headphones. You can adjust the height of the projector with those little things right there. You can close it. It's up to you. You can just focus it. There is only one button to turn it on and off. And then, as you see, there are speakers. Yeah, that's it. That's the remote control. And then HDMI cable. And here is the power cord. Let's go ahead and plug all the cables one by one. Power cord, HDMI, and we need the electricity rate. Let's go ahead and plug the cord right there. Thank you so much. And let's go ahead and turn it on. Thank you so much. Let's see.
Bak baba, eşeği gördün mü, eşek?
Okay. My first impression, as you see, it is like very bright. I've got so many projectors so far, but this one is more brighter than others. It's like even brighter than my screen, computer screen. This is during daytime, as you see. Let's get a video. Action is so slow. As you see, this is 1080p.
Solar system and fun fact. The cell makes up 99.86% of the solar system mass. Mercury is named after wealthy Massachusetts gods.
Alright, let's go ahead and watch a copyright-free video. As you see, it's so bright. I've never seen such a projector before. This bright. Let's go ahead and play. Let me see. I think there's no sound. I can find another one. It is so colorful and it is so bright. Let's try another one. I don't know what happened to the sound, but it's very strange. If you want to connect your phone, basically you need to go to settings and then find Wi-Fi setting. Then go ahead and choose your Wi-Fi. I already connected to Miracast. You can use Miracast for Android devices and then Hummingbird Cast for the iOS. It's gonna tell you how you're gonna connect the devices. This is the procedure. You need to go to your iOS device and then screen mirroring, and then find broadcast and go ahead and mirror the screen. But first of all, you need to connect it to the Wi-Fi.